In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up documents in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to create a clean backup of your records so you can keep your financial data safe and accessible. Make sure you're signed in to your Zoho Books account with the right permissions before you begin. Start on the dashboard in Zoho Books. This is the home screen you land on after logging in, and it gives you a snapshot of your organization's financial health. From here, we'll head straight to the settings area where backups are managed. Look for the small gear icon, typically found in the top right corner of the interface. The gear icon is your shortcut to all settings. Click it to open the settings page. If you manage multiple organizations, just confirm you're in the correct one before proceeding, so you back up the data you actually intend to save. On the settings page, find and open Data Management. This section collects tools related to how your information is stored and maintained. It's the place to go when you want to export or back up your data in a structured, reliable format you can store offline. Next, choose Backup Your Data. On this screen, you'll be asked to choose a file type. Pick the format that best suits how you plan to use the backup. Many users prefer a compressed archive that contains spreadsheets or PDFs for each module, since it's easy to store and move. If you collaborate with an accountant or a team, consider selecting a format they can open without special software. When prompted, enter your account password. This confirmation is a security measure to ensure only authorized users can initiate a backup. Double-check any on-screen options, such as the scope of the backup and file structure, so the archive includes exactly what you expect. When you're ready, click Continue. Zoho Books will begin preparing your backup. The time this takes depends on the size of your data. Larger accounts may need a few minutes. Keep the tab open until you see a confirmation or a download prompt. If a download button appears, save the file to a secure location you control. It's a good idea to use a clear folder structure and a consistent naming convention that includes the date, so you can find the right backup quickly later on. That's it. You started from the dashboard, opened the settings with the gear icon, went to Data Management, chose Backup Your Data, confirmed your file type and password, and click Continue to generate the archive. Store the backup safely, and you'll have peace of mind knowing your Zoho Books documents are protected.